Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Aweigh app. Aweigh is an app designed to navigate through the waterways in the UK, and it works both on iOS and Android. Now Aweigh generates the 3-words address of your current location, but it needs internet connection to do this. So when you open the app, there are 3 sections. The first section is the map section with the world map. The second section is the tide section, which contains tidal information as well as the time of sunrise and sunset. And there's the help section, which contains all the numbers of the emergency services as well as the what3words function. If you tap on the what3words panel, it generates the 3-word address of your current location. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.